Here we have the GoPro 12 Hero Black Special Bundle. This is a new camera I'm going to be using for some drive videos and maybe some vlogs for the rest of this year. So let's unbox it for the first time. So we've got to break the seal here. Let's get into it. In here we've got a handle grip, a handler, a head strap, an extra battery, and the case itself which we're holding, which is here. And this is the GoPro case. Everything's in there. Let's unzip it. Hopefully it's in focus for you. Okay. Our first look, that just fell out. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. So we've got to update it with the Quirk app. We'll do that later. We've got the handler. That's very light. And this is a head strap. The mount, standard mount. Another mount, sticky mount. And what's this? Here is a battery. So we've got two of these batteries. These will fit the Hero 9, Hero 10, Hero 11, and this one, Hero 12. So we've got two of these. There we go. And they are, as you see, the Hero 12 ones are the white ones. Well, let's get the GoPro itself out. It looks a bit like a dummy at this point because it's all covered up in its white sheet. So we'll get this off. There we go. And that's not peeled off very easily. The camera needs to be updated before first use. There's the back screen. This rear screen is a 2.27 inch colour. We'll try and get this off. That's not coming off very easy. There we go, nice and easy. Now I've done that. This front screen is a 1.4 inch colour. There we go, nice and easy. There we go. Our GoPro 12 unveiled. You pull this like that. Put the SD card in there. So yeah, the battery goes in this way. Like that, and just close it, quick release, and there we go. One of the updates for this is it's got the standard GoPro mount clips, plus it's got a tripod mount, quarter thread, so you can, with this GoPro, and it's the only GoPro, you can screw it onto a standard tripod. And you can see I've got a little tripod here. I could never do this before, but we can screw this on, and there we go, nice and easy. We've attached it to our little tripod Manfrotto. And this does 10-bit log video for the first time. I don't believe the Hero 11, Hero 10 does that. It's important to note this is not a 1-inch sensor. This is a 1/1.9 inch sensor, but it's not a full 1-inch sensor. The ratios we can do is 16:9 and 9:16 and 8:7 as well. As for the video resolution, it does 5.3K up to 60 frames per second. It does 4K up to 120 frames per second. And it does 2K up to a massive 240 frames per second, which is really good specs for a video. I'm going to put it on my card as some drive videos. If you're interested in buying one of these, I will put a link in the description. Just there, you'll see it. And you can click that, and I will get a small commission off it. That will help this channel, but it's not sponsored. If you're interested in seeing more about this camera, it being used, some testing videos and some specs and it turned on, just subscribe, let me know in the comments, and I will make an effort to show you this turned on and show you some settings as well, if you're interested in that. And in here, we have some papers, we have some leaflets. Subscribe to GoPro for the best experience. We've just got it telling us how to put battery in, basically. The instructions of how to open and close it. We've got the head strap instructions, how to mount as well. Some GoPro stickers, so we can stick them somewhere if we wanted to. Just some pro tips for cool weather performance. It's just a booklet here, have products and have product questions. And that's empty, there's nothing else in there. Actually, we've got the USB-C cable for charging it, and we've got the screw for mounting the GoPro mounts. So my friends, that concludes the video. Thanks for watching.